Vibes Media.
Reggae Vibes Media. You know the thing, boy. You hear me? I say.
They say they gon' ride me. See me never do shit. Cause they know that's the reason they gon' end up on the newspaper. Audemars on my wrist. Bust down. We poppin' bottles like I scored a winning touchdown. Remember me dead broke. Look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to Uptown. Thank God all these bottles I pop. All the paper I've been getting, all these models I pop. I done sold 100,000 for my album got dropped. Then I'm only 23. On the shit now look at me. I'm a boss like my nigga. And Judy asked me for a check. I told that bitch like no way. Cause I made it from the bottom. It was never no way. And I never had a job. You know I had to sell. Yeah. Bitch, I'm a boss. I call a shot. I'm with the murder things. Call a cop. We in the building. Y'all like nah. You showing the paper. You a baller now. Bitch, I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss. I play the shots. I call the call. We in the building.
Ricky wanna better when that dog got. Then I put that on my baby. Go in the town, bitch, you with your stay there. I'm a boss. I cut the club. We in the beer. We going down. I'm a boss. I cut a car.
Maybach music.
One umbrella, nothing not change.
It's a beautiful night. Can I get a rose? Sam Sneak, let's go. I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car. Whoa.
Pull up the choppers like it's December 31st. Pull up the cock and hit them niggas where it hurts. Lie today, remember me like John Lennon. Barrett and Louis, I'm talking all brown linen.
Big black nigga, in the icy pot. Screws on the coupe, bitch, I got a Nike shot. Y'all the rabbit, you can bring them in a Nike box. Drowning in my joint, kick them out, it might be ass. I'm swimming in a yellow fish. In the prayers, down in every liquid javelin. Red beam, and that was a nigga. Body was bullet, we really got in there. Drop palm, all of it, a nigga. Make it come back, keep it harder than before. Lady, I'm the only one that plays your heart. Welcome that nigga here to jump in that. Whoa, I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car. I got a chopper in the car. Whoa.
Pull up the choppers like it's December 31st. Pull up the cock and hit them niggas where it hurts. Lie today, remember me like John Lennon. Barrett and Louis, I'm talking all brown linen.
I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car, so don't make it cover. If your ass apart, then I'll put my shit in. Wax, CLP, double M.
Maybach music.
J.A., you know I love you. You know I love you. And you know we all got something in common, right? If you're born, whoa, I love that. Oh, she's saying that whole name. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, but look, if you're a born winner, put your hands in the sky right now. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Maybach music.
And they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, 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 win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ricky Rose, Jamaica. What's up, baby?
Maybach
Whoa,
music.
whoa, whoa.
All I care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke until it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on one. 2 white cups and I got that drink. You could be purple and pink, depending on how you mix that shit. Money to be got, I'ma get that shit, cause I'm on one. I said fuck it,
I'm burning purple flower, it burning my chest. I'm burning the most cash, it burning the rest. Walking on the clouds, since we're in the air. No one beneath me recognize the red bottoms I wear. Burning in the bell, move the kids to this. Big shorty on the sink, do it for the. Get you on your neck and tell you everything is. Even though I'm out on body might be facing. Still running with the same niggas to the. Never seen a million cash, gotta cut it. Never made love to the women that you in a pool full of money in Jamaica, IG.
Maybach music.
Baby, I can take it there. Call on my Jacob so we can make a pair. So yeah, we all want to feel it ain't fair. And it's double MG until I get the
all I
shit.
care about is money in the city that I'm from. I'ma sip until I feel it, I'ma smoke until it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuse is that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should've told you I'm on one. Yeah, fuck it, I'm on one.
Hey, hey, hey. Who the fuck you think you fucking with? I'm the fucking 745, white on white, that's wicked. I cut them hard, I cut them long, I cut them. I keep them coming. I'm in the distribution. I'm like, I got them motherfuckers flying across the. I don't mind love. Sorry.
Want to check out a song named Who Are by Taviann. It's bad on YouTube. Just check it out, search it.
On the hole, she most of my niggas was my room bag, my money bag. I'm on the pill to show you what I'm running like. When they snatch black, I cry for 100. He got 100, serving 100. We never see a car, but we beat her hard. Whip it, whip it, whip it. I call the charge, I call the charge. Whip it real hard. Whip it, whip it. Hey, that music, Ricky Rose, nigga. If you're a hustler, if you're a hustler, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, look at the smile. Umbrella, under umbrella, all white, watch it.
So, what is your expectation from the show?
Well, I'm expecting to be wowed and awed by the performance alone.
Hard, hard, hustle, 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 hard, close down, so you feel on the good phone.
Let's take it there, nigga. Yeah. So, are we in Jamaica, right?
smoking on good Jamaica. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, that's what it is. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 Photographs of dope boy.
It's only right. Snake.
Yeah.
There's some sexy ones in here.
Hey, yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
How you doing, love? Snake, let's turn it up.
Maybach music.
Shorty so fine, pussy so fresh. That's why I was that my baby tastes the best. I nearly lost my mind. Guess it was a test. Trouble up a beating when they bought as a less. Rated out cash, so I never run a check. Leave my cars at the crib, I'm designing on them. Rumpus execs in me in it, I know it's not a mess. I'm not a record toast girl, like I'm licking on a flex. Sex all night, couple shots of the ball. Crib on the water, got LeBron up the crew. The money in the day, shorty, welcome to the bar. Dice spot, double ducking, diving bottom. Be so black, I be wishing I could see. A uniform is a rubber round when you with the thing. What up? Double MG, the mother niggas fell off. I heard. Baby girl, I just wanna see you.
Call me crazy, shit, at least you call me. Feels better when you let it out, don't it, girl?
Sing this shit. Little ladder, baby. When I'm not in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall. Automatic weapons on the blow, who can you go? No one knows about to go. When the music to the side, get it in on the road. Lot of quiet time. Pink bombers and rolls. Exotic red bottom toe body. Get it go. Run away by the middle of the bottom. I love a dancing girl who swallow what's on that mean you. That money triple up when you get it out of state. Need a new shape cause I'm running out of space. L-Ray chest and I'm somewhere out of space. Hear my two-seaters, need the one that I would take. Weed.
For you, I just to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, can't let it go. Whether that's
Hey, bro, say what you pulling up in, what?
but here goes.
Pull up on the block in this drop top chicken box. Mr. KFC, PBS is in the watch. Living fast, where it's all about that money, man. You never run, you take it there, ain't no coming back. No, top down, right here, where you wanna be. Here, when my ball bucket goes right in front of me. Yeah, every time we fuck ourselves, take a hold of me. And then it like boogie up, but they be controlling me. That thing keep calling, fuck, maintain, boy. Keep ballin', keep ballin', keep ballin', keep ballin'. I think I'm big, beast, nigga, Larry Hoover. I'm whipping break, I'm spitting hallelujah. One nation, under God. Real niggas getting money from the fucking stuff. I think I'm big, beast, Larry Hoover. I'm getting worse, stand with me. One nation, under God. Real niggas getting money from the fucking stuff. affiliated. I'm pretty ground up. You bought it, bring them faded. Talking plenty, get with nothing, been authenticated. Funny, you like it, and that I been it. Say what you tell them. Hold the bottles.
Umbrella was a blast. It was a good look. We can't say nothing more pertaining to what the crowd say and what the crowd enhance and get. Umbrella are one of the main big events right now in the island. Me not have to ask, me not have to say 40 more words, but me can tell you, this was a blast, this was a good look. Umbrella, right show.
I know me and Jerry. Let's turn this shit up, Sneak, let's go.
Champagne, they know the face and they know the name.
Oh yeah, you ready? Come on.
Let's go.
Got it. I'm the life of the party, you get me cause I'm a party. You know I got the sun, so drop that click, drop it down. I got what you want, so drop it down, baby. Film it, yes you want me to film it. What up? Ballin', like I play for the wing. Stack up here. That's 50, 100, I see no fucking. Shout out to Zay Street, shout out my BB2. We the two like crew, two for me, two for you. See them bitches there, touch them like a rabbit. Sorry there's a habit, smoking 50, did my family.
Yeah. Scheming.
We got to do something for the real ones. If you got somebody locked up, that'll send them $100 this week. If you got somebody that you lost, that you love, put your hands up one time.
Salute.
R.I.P. the Black Boat, nigga. R.I.P. the Peanut. What's up? I ride for my niggas down. I ride for my niggas. What you saying? I slide for my niggas down. I ride for my niggas. Whoa.
Niggas tryna get at me. I ride for my niggas. Space keeping. Niggas tryna get at me. I ride for my niggas.
Damn. Life's so short. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it.
I'm on the run for the money.
I'm in the bucket, paid 200 for it. My little niggas doesn't even got me
Paranoid.
I'm getting money that you need in the
Category.
Double limb, I got hitters out of nigga,
Boy.
I ride for my niggas down. I ride for my niggas. What you said? I slide for my niggas down.
I ride for my niggas. Space keeping. Niggas tryna get at me. I ride for my niggas.
Maybach music.
Baby, I'm a buzzer talking Georgetown. Panamera, Yogi Berra, my New Zealand Terry. Capo strikes, all these niggas play with ball in the beamer. Follow polo. Kisses on my necklace. All my diamonds watching down my body. Getting jealous. Smoking on the palm in my autograph. Yeah, she told me I'm the one that will only hit it once. God is great.
Breaks my heart. They ain't believing us.
I pray you rich forever.
Why you hate
I
and
pray you
being
rich
jealous?
forever.
You can be over here embracing that love. More blessings, more life. You either win with us or you watch us.
They wanted to stop. Ooh. But look at us now. They counted us out. Time to say anything that we make. Anything about it. Those guys that don't want to see you last. You check $3 million for your tax. What's up for the money as a Cadillac? Cash in it. Don't forget me, I'm a sinner, Congress survive with it. Wrong side of the petition, only survive in it. Better listen when I tell you I want to time in it. So leave me in the dark, swimming with the sharks. But don't force these cars, still the biggest boss. I got a kilo on the blade, still I'm on a freight. Oh, I can go and buy, cause I know my money's safe. They wanted to stop. Oh, but look at us now. They counted us out. Ricky Rose, too good to be true. Y'all believe.
You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked up wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she tryna bless me like I said I do. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them trick and squeeze. I'm getting cream, never let them hoes get in between. And what we started, little nigga, but I'm lying. They love me when I was stuck and they hated when I departed. I gonna get it regardless. Draw like I'm an artist, I'm crawling with straight to walking with foreigns in my garages. I'm foreign bitches menaging, fucking sucking and swallowing anything for $1. They tell me get it, man. I did it without an album. I did shit with Mariah. Little nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga, I'm flying. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was leaf. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey, to rest in peace. Hey, to rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about? Gangsters move in silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. Was on my grind and I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? When I wore the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was winning. Flexing on these niggas, I'm like Papa on this finish. Double M, yeah, that's my team. They got the kicking on lieutenant. I'm the cannon and casting, grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, she ride like my ghost. I'm riding around, I sit here with my hands strapped to my toes. Cause these niggas want me dead, and I gotta make it back home. My mama need that bill money, my son needs some bills. These niggas try to take my life, they fuck around and get killed. You fuck around, just fuck. Cause these Philly niggas I pull, but they don't fuck around no way. All I know is murder. When it come to me, I got young niggas that's rolling, I got niggas throwing bees. I done did the DOS, I done did the KODs. Every time I'm in that bitch, I get to throwing dirty G's. But now I'm hanging out that drop head, I'm riding down no collar. Big little nigga earn back home, that young nigga be wild. We young niggas, we mobbing, like Batman and we're robbing.
Ross clean. Big Valley Roadway shooting this. That's beautiful. that's going up in the mansion. Sam Sneak, let my people show this Jamaica. You know I love y'all, but you know, if you don't know, let me remind you what you mean to the world. It's not like J.A. in the motherfucking world, you heard me? You're honored and respected all around the world, you heard me? When the niggas see that flag, it ain't nothing but love, you heard me? Sam Sneak, give me some Jamaican music, nigga.
Every day I've been going around and telling stories. Boy, you know me? And about this year, man, I grow me. No. Give me some bass when me sing something first. Me go so. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. It's all about show me. And they make fat sister not love me. You know what them claims and them wrong. All them arguments.
That's a hit record, that's a legend. What's up?
Her name is Maxine. Her bitch is like a bundle of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
From round robin, from train that something that to what something umbrella. Tell them what go on.
Yeah man, I want umbrella drums. Okay, it's to life. From round robin to nothing to something now. So you know how bigger we are going next time. Real bigger.
Hold on there, no we are so little umbrella. But I say I want bigger umbrella. Bigger.
I'm a black woman there. I want to see a man, make up a bit of mind. She's a color woman, show me a mind. So I'm a stop up in the front line. What's the thing I don't call on this line? Stop up in the front line. Fire big man, them with the right man behind. The woman say boom. So I'm ramming the boom. The woman say boom.
Pull up. Rick Ross, 1 minute. You say you want to hear Jamaican music. All who wants to Rick Ross dance, Bossa Blanco over your head. Oh! Watch out, Rick Ross are gonna dance in here. Are your shoes lace?
Yo, Antaran.
Look here.
I'm gonna fuck up in here. On a bowl like them, full of gun, heavy clip, full of crocodile teeth. 16 when a boy kill. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and sit. The great side Conorati, yeah man, I inside it.
Lucas, you're one of the biggest boss. Jamaica love you, look here. You're the black here. You're the black here. You're the black here. Regras, don't go Portmore and be a mosquito over there. Don't bring the rifle, bring the mosquito rocket them. I saw them ever go in the mosquito
Yo, Antaran, you can't mix like them. Copycat them.
Umbrella.
Oh, I never know where from now. Big done said, pan his school come down. Bleach out white, no them some brown. No gonna make deal. Another dollar. Another bat, they do color. Officer no me, another song, yeah, me and he say me money from Canada, me no scammer. Another day, another dollar. Another you, give them on a All about money, I have to make it. Chop cars, the chop card. So we stop out, like chop card. Top card, man a pop star. Watch your style, yeah. Freak your fuck up.
There ya, Umbrella Brunch, 23.
Request, I hear time now. And Mr. People, are you ready? Big Belly Rude Boy in Jamaica, Kingston. Let's go.
All girls and jump back up on your
What's good?
new style.
What are you saying?
New style when one place I do. I'm going down some music with you. Moving around the place like that. Just like over that. Some of your tune now. I'm going to say that. Well, you don't know. At the return of the greatness. Lord of God, what's the deal? Give them the style. What's the style? All the time I'm going to go down style. Give them the style. What's the style? Cool.
Level. Request. I barely hear you drink. I'm bumble rum. Now watch up on the Instagram, you know. I motivate me. I'm see when nobody play an engine and turn it to the table. I see everything. Yeah, because you believe in yourself. So request that. If you're not glad for the show, bus 5 long in the year now. You're not ready for the one that you want to party with me. Request. Let's stand here. We can have that. We can have everybody will be up in my business.
Your girl Nessa, I'm represent for Reggae Vibes. I'm represent for the song Shephard, you know, a bad song. Yeah.
Everywhere me go, me keep me Glock for me. Come in, I trust none of them daddy. Me paradise, so me keep me shorty. Everywhere me go, me have to carry one. If any boy try them, me have to clap it. Action, me not do the talking. Ever ready, no, me never lie. Man from the devil.
Kingston Jamaica. I want to say it. Show this. Build up music.
Swing, rock, and a rasta, killer, Lord, oh my sister can't hear his son. Your body needs your bumper run. Turn your bumper run. Get up, sit up, and
Request, I be a mad people come to see you tonight.
Maybach music.
Latte, come in. Latte, stay there. Be the right, take a look up here. All who know your peer come here, you enjoy all of your money, put up your end of the year. Then we start to.
Yeah, people were there, yeah. Over there, under the umbrella. You know what I mean? Reggae Vibes mean that they're on the ground and we're present. You see what I go on? Look on them body there. Look for she. And she. 23. Oh, yo, you never know. Our world. So there you are, we're ready to get the thing active. So where you forward with me? We have not itch over here, so. The G them there. Clean. Yeah, so watch out now. So, with the Rick Ross, Umbrella, Jamaica event, I don't know Christmas in Jamaica, the ultimate. So what do man them expect from the show?
Well, we expect a great performance here, because we really there to see Rick Ross still.
Alright, Christmas in Jamaica. So when you say bad boy, hold on. Check the drip. Hold on now, check the drip first. Check the drip. Drip. Y'all them wet up in the night, yeah. So what are your expectations, bad boy? Because a skanker to a skanker, we are full dance. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're there active and beer things are going. Yeah, man, and beer things, the girl them round this are go and get them things together. I be excitement, look at them umbrella there. You see it? And them girl and them sitting there and them sitting there and that pink something there and that smile there. Yeah, woman. Oh, yo. So there with the gen of them same here. So bad boy, where you go? The man go leather. Look no man, check it drip. Yeah, bad boy, so what's your expectations from the show?
Well, to be honest, I'm a first time coming here, so just come visit. So.
Hold on there, you're a yard man or you're flying?
No man, I'm a yard man.
Oh, it's all like a Bronx you're forward from.
Spain Town, man.
Alright, Spain Town repping. You see me I say with your umbrella, 23. You don't know Rick Ross show. Just follow me.